Come here, budgie. Come here. What happened to your leg? Come here. Okay. Oh my god. It's painful? Yeah. Yes, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. It's a baby. Oh, my baby. My baby. Yes, baby. Come. Yeah, so you see, yes. Just stay quiet. Stay quiet. Stay quiet. Just calm. You see, this is normal size. Now this has become double size. So that rope, where is that rope? That's why you should not give these kind of rope toys to your birds. It gets tangled in the feet, in the toes. And this was, yeah. Now we see his feet's colors. Yeah. See, there is a abscess started forming here. Yeah, just it's not even been 24 hours. So there is a lot of swelling here on the ankle and on, yes, tibia. You see this. This is tuba. This is this part, femur. There's a lot of swelling here. This is normal. So you just camera, let it be on. Give me your hand. And you touch here, you will see swelling. You can feel.
Yeah.
Swelling.
Yeah.
You didn't know this, that they were swelling. This is normal size.
Yes.
This femur is swollen. This ankle is swollen. And there are a lot of injuries, but it's not so serious. We can cure his leg. Yes. Slightly abscess I can see. And see a lot of swelling. There is a little bit bruising also on the ankle. So this bird will be on compulsory rest in the cage and on medication, but he will be fine. Yes. So